You must have noticed these numbers in grocery stores on produce. General people are unaware about them. I am revealing secret about these PLU codes, means price lookup codes, to help you make intentional purchasing of good quality food issued by IFPS, International Federation for Produce Standards. Before we move ahead, hit subscribe so you don't miss this type of content. Two types of codes are most common. First one, four-digit codes that starts with 4 or 3. These are conventionally grown fruits and vegetables. Means pesticides, fertilizers used, or they may be genetically modified. Second one is 5-digit code that starts with 9. 9 is used in starting of conventional codes like 94011. These food items are best to eat because these are organic. Very little amount of synthetic material is used for them to produce. Then comes less common code like produce with 8. These are genetically modified or engineered. Now you will ask about packed food products. Two highly known options are available. Look in market for better options: USDA Organic and non GMO. You can trust USDA Organic, which is much better than non GMO items because of very limited use of pesticides or synthetic process use. They use fully certified organic ingredients to make food product. Now you are aware of all these codes and organic stuff. So eat healthy and stay healthy. Let me know in comment if you already knew about this or you want me to make video on any general concern of your daily life. I will come back with research. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel.